So today we're gonna make some microwave pancakes.
You are so late.
I'm going to leave my food in the car.
First we take them out like this, and then you need to turn or just okay. So what we do first is we take the pancakes out of the pack. We just have to we put the desired number of pancakes on a plate. Okay, it says for 3 pancakes, we heat it at 1 minute and 15 seconds each. For 1 minute and 15 seconds. So, for each plate, we'll have it in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. We have to have it, and we have to have it on high power. We also have to cover it with a paper towel first. We need to make sure that the pancakes are covered so that they won't heat too much.
No, it's not really. Probably can keep some more.
So you get long lean muscles and flat abs. But here's the game changer. I infused it with low impact cardio sequences so you
How many minutes?
1 minute and 15 seconds per each plate.
For what?
For each plate.
1 minute 15 seconds.
Yep, 1 minute 15 seconds.
You gotta get on the rest of it.
On the pack. On the pack.
65 pounds, 54 inches, and I went from a dress size 24 to a 6.